Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel and this is your October monthly reading. Remember this is going to be a general reading for Sun, Moon, Rising, Sagittarius. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. This is going to cover your love, your career or whatever the cards are trying to reveal to us. So let's see. In your first week you've got the 8 of Moons and the Empress card. What I can see from your reading is that you have this weird fear and doubts about your future. It seems like you're losing hope on something or someone. Like, I don't know if I'm going to get married. I don't know if I'm going to find the right guy. I'm my kind of guy, my kind of job, my kind of lifestyle. All those fears are there in your mind. But I also see at the same time that you are in your Empress energy. Means very high standards. Loving, caring, nurturing, but also very high standards. Which means you are ready to accept someone only if they are meeting your level or your level of expectations, right? If those boxes are not getting ticked for you, or if someone is not giving you loyalty, commitment, in work, if someone is not matching your pay scale, your expectations, your position, then you're not going to accept it, right? You are ready to stay single or without a job until and unless you get your kind of person or thing. But I do see that this very thing is also scaring you. Like, I don't know, okay, I'm fine, I'm rejecting so many offers, but am I really going to get the one? Well, wait. Continue to be in your Empress energy. It's a good energy to be, but do not fill it with fear and doubt. In your second week, you've got the Alchemist and the Prince card. It shows me that you were an adventurous person in the past, right? You wanted freedom, you wanted to be alone, you wanted to travel. Probably you could be involved in a traveling job as well, or you just wanted to stay single. Now that is changing for some of you. Either you want to be close to the family, settle down and get married, or not do that traveling job anymore. You want to take it slow, you want to take it easy, you want to enjoy life at a slow pace now. Now, whatever you are hoping for, there is a possibility that you're going to get it. With the Prince card here, I do see comfort, status, stability coming to your life, right? So if you want to invest in a house, if you want to be close to the family or find that right partner, he or she will be able to come to you in the second week. So keep on looking. If you want to change your life, take steps towards it and you will 100% find it. In your third week, you've got the Abyss and the Star card. Sagittarius, you know that you're a wise person, you know that your intuition is very strong, but why do you procrastinate so much? You know that you have to meet this deadline, you know that in order to find the right partner, you have to get out of your house or join some dating apps, matrimonial apps, or at least start applying, right? Or think of ideas to start a business, but you have a very bad habit of delaying things, right? If you're going to delay in taking action on something which you should do, you will never be able to achieve your dream. But if you take action, timely action, if you do not procrastinate, your all your dreams and wishes can come true. This is a very positive card to have, the Major Arcana card, the Star card, which means you have the capability of making your dreams come into reality. But only if you follow your intuition, your own spiritual wisdom, and you take action upon it. Do not ignore your intuition, right? Your intuition is so strong. Your spiritual, your higher wisdom is always guiding you. So why do you ignore it? The more you ignore it, the more your destiny will be delayed. So please don't do that, because all your dreams can come true no matter what they are, whether that's a house you're planning, a family you're planning, a partner, anything. All right. Now coming to the last week of October, you've got the Seven of Stars, Four of Moons, and the Seven of Suns. You could be seeing 7 7 a lot. If you are, this reading is 100% for you. Even if you're not, this reading will resonate with you. I do see Aquarius, Capricorn, or fellow Sagittarius around you, or you could have Aquarius, Capricorn, or Sagittarius in your own birth chart. I do see that probably in your work or your personal life, whether you're looking for love or professional, I do see that things have never been smooth. There have been ups and downs. In relationship, it could be that There were unblock situations, on and off people, right? You were always hoping for somebody to propose you, but they never did. They always kept it in a very, superficial level, in a very situationship level only. You have faced a lot of struggles in your love life where you are struggling to find the right partner for you, right? Or maintain that healthy relationship. In your work also, your business has maybe not grown the way you wanted to, or you have had challenges at your workplace. Irrespective of that, there will be struggles. There will be delays, there will be cancellations as well. But the cards are saying after you have passed this initial phase of struggle, you will find success. I know that right now it's feeling like, it's like a mountain that you have to climb in relationships or your work. It's like you're never seeing the light of the day. It's like you're never reaching the top, no matter how much effort you put in, and you feel like giving up, right? But please do not give up. These cards are saying that you're very close to your success. You have always reached you have almost reached the top of this mountain. So if you give up now, you will never be able to taste your success, whether in love or relationship or marriage or business or job, right? You're very close to success, whatever that success means to you, whether that's personal or whether that's professional. Please continue to give the efforts, do not give up, and you will eventually find success. So it's very positive, no matter what your situation is right now, no matter how many times you face the delays, the rejections, or the frustration that is going on, eventual success is 100% coming your way. So it's a very positive reading. Sagittarius, I would like you to comment, I claim this reading, I manifest this reading so that it reaches you faster. And remember, this was a general reading. If you resonated with it, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. To book a personal reading for your specific situations, if you have very specific questions, please email me at my email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me, follow me and DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. If you want to know the prices or book any reading, these are the only two channels which are available. I do not have a website, okay? So please make sure that you're following the right channel. You will be able to see my picture on my YouTube channel DP and my Instagram handle DP as well. So please check out the description box for the correct links and email ID, and all the services are mentioned there. I take no contact readings, love readings, packages, rituals, and counseling sessions as well. A lot of readings are under 500 rupees and under 1000 rupees as well. Audio video sessions are also available. So book what is suitable for you. Check out the description box. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.